Hoover Dam, a triumph of civil engineering. A spectacular edifice of sculpted concrete, rising majestically in an imposing canyon, taming a wild river once thought to be tameless. A colossal statement. Man conquering nature. Now, imagine there is no Hoover Dam, and one must be built. How would engineers build it today? What would they do differently, and what would stay the same? Join us now as we reinvent Hoover Dam.
Şöyle böyle iki.
Arizona, Nevada. Arizona, Nevada. Both states.
Fucking crazy, man.
The different things from how they began building the dam to basically how it works today. Once they had chosen Black Canyon as the site of the future Hoover Dam, the first thing they had to do was create a dry spot. Now to do that, they blasted 4 diversion tunnels, 2 on each side through the canyon walls.
الطريقه او خلينا هذه بابا تاخذ مالي شو صار
شو صار ده هنا؟
شوف كيف هذا.
أو إيش نبغى؟ زور صار ده. ما كذي. زور صار السنة. Very cold man. Tak şurada şuna baka.